What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. Today's video is going to be a cryptocurrency market update as well as huge news over the past 24 hours. Some huge stuff here about the stimulus package as well, and I will be talking about some top altcoin price predictions. I do think Ethereum is going to be testing $1,000 soon, and I'm going to show you guys why. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, comment below, as well as subscribe to the channel. I will be doing a huge giveaway to subscribers when I do hit 50,000, so I do appreciate you subscribing, and I will try to reply to all the comments below as well. So we're currently just one day away from the start of 2021. I think 2021 is going to be the biggest year for cryptocurrency yet. Very excited for what's to come, and things have been looking great for end of 2020 as well. Bitcoin just hit new all-time highs again, now at $29,000. It may be testing $30,000 going into 2021. I think that's going to be really epic if we start 2021 with a 30K Bitcoin. We have to consider Ethereum as well, as only 750 right now. I do think that will be testing $1,000 very soon. Compared to its all-time high, it's down about 50% from that. So if it does go back to its all-time highs like Bitcoin did and surpass that, especially since Ethereum has staking now and they do have other big updates coming to the network, it is the biggest network in the crypto space as well. And look at the volume here over the past half year compared to the volume during the peak of the last bull run. So it just towers over the volume from the last bull run. So I definitely think Ethereum's undervalued. I do see a lot of people are saying they're longing Ethereum right now, and I do think that's a smart move, especially with Bitcoin being up 4% right now. I do think a big move for Ethereum will be coming soon. And once that happens and it's testing $1,000, I'll probably sell a majority of Ethereum I'm holding for Cardano ADA, and I'll talk more about that as well. XRP is still sitting around 20-21 cents. It is starting to recover now. There was some bad news about this though. So Binance US says it will delist XRP on January 13th. They're not just delaying trading, they're actually delisting XRP. So that news came out today, but it didn't affect the price too much. Binance US isn't that huge yet, but it definitely is one of the best ways to buy and trade cryptocurrencies from the United States. If you guys haven't signed up for Binance US, there is a link to do this in the video description. I do recommend using that. It has the best fees for buying cryptocurrency as well. If you're using Coinbase, you're losing a lot of money just from those fees. So I definitely recommend signing up for Binance US with the link in the video description. So a big article on Cointelegraph just came out a couple hours ago saying XRP is the third largest collapse of all time. Just insane, especially since we're headed into a bullish market and everything is doing so well with Bitcoin passing its all-time highs. If XRP was doing as well as Bitcoin in this bull market, then XRP would be around $5 right now. Just insane to think about that, and it's only around 20 cents. Which I do think it's going to find support around 20 cents. We'll see what happens. It's very volatile. It could have a bounce upwards again as well, like we did see last week. But overall, I am staying away from XRP until things are cleared up with this. Any good news towards that lawsuit could make XRP pump as well. So I will be watching the news and keeping you guys updated here. Cardano ADA, some people are speculating Coinbase will be listing ADA tomorrow. So we'll see what happens with that. There is supposed to be some big news from what Charles has said in a past AMA. Charles is actually doing a live video right now for New Year's. I was watching this. He's just answering some questions right now though. So if there's something major announced in this, I will do another video update for you guys within the next 12 hours. So more bad news for XRP. Coinbase gets sued over XRP commissions. A Coinbase customer files a proposed class action lawsuit saying the crypto exchange should have known that XRP was a security rather than a commodity. So they're getting sued over this. Just more bad press for XRP, and I think this is going to continue throughout the week. XRP will find a bottom at some point here, and then it probably will start recovering because we are in a bull market and people still can buy XRP in certain situations. It's getting pretty hard to pick up XRP if you're in the United States though, so Coinbase, I do believe you can still buy XRP, but only until mid-January. So Tyler Winklevoss posted about Ethereum being undervalued. The price of Ether right now is $735. This is 51% off of its all-time high, which is like buying Bitcoin at 14K. What a steal. So when you think of it like that, Ethereum still is very undervalued, and I think a lot of people will pick up Ether right now just because of the fact. So that will definitely be pushing Ethereum up very soon. Institutions are also buying Ethereum, but not as much as Bitcoin. So I do think there's higher profit potential for institutions to buy Ethereum, and over the next couple months, I do think some of these institutions will really be stacking Ethereum, especially knowing the information we do. I do think Ethereum will be testing 1K by January 15th. Of course, anything could happen in the short term, but something that is more bullish for this is a $600 stimulus check is officially on the way. So stimulus checks coming out is a great thing for cryptocurrency. This is going to make the volume of cryptocurrencies skyrocket during this time. And we did see this during the last stimulus package. Coinbase published information showing that the amount of transactions of $1,200 was at a peak during the time stimulus checks were going out. And if you did buy Bitcoin with your stimulus package during the time of the last package going out, that $1,200 would now be worth around $5,000 and even more in certain altcoins. So I do think a lot of people will be spending their stimulus check on cryptocurrencies, especially since they have the data now. And I do think some of these top 10 cryptocurrencies are undervalued. We have to keep in mind these buyers are retail investors, which we haven't had a huge spike of retail interest yet. We can see that Bitcoin is now trending at a pretty high level. It is getting close to 30,000, which is going to make it trend even higher. Bitcoin is in all the news media right now, being at all-time highs, pretty much breaking all-time highs every day or two right now, and getting very close to testing $30,000, which is where I do think we're going to see some resistance, and then a lot of money spilling over from Bitcoin into other top 10 altcoins, which is the scenario where I do see Ethereum hitting $1,000 very soon, as well as Cardano, I think, is extremely undervalued. So huge profits to come for top 10 cryptos, definitely. My last video I did price predictions for top 10 cryptos for the next 2 weeks. Definitely check that video out. I will put a link to that in the top right of this video. So this here is saying that some people will see the payment for the stimulus check in their accounts on the date of January 4th, even earlier. So that's coming out in the next week, which is why I'm pretty bullish on cryptocurrencies for the next couple weeks. And I do see Ethereum testing that $1,000. If Coinbase lists ADA, like some people are speculating, it'll probably be testing 30 to 50 cents. But I don't think Coinbase is going to be listing ADA at this time. I do think they're going to be saving that for after the launch of Goguen and after the IPO. Other coins I'm pretty bullish on. Binance BNB, pretty much testing its all-time high right now. I do see that going up to $50 very soon. Litecoin, I think, could pump more because it is the cheapest crypto on PayPal right now. And some people just want to pick up as many coins as possible. So that is a huge option for retail investors right now, especially since XRP is pretty much out of the equation. People will probably be buying more Litecoin. So SparkPoint did their quarterly token burn, and this time around was a massive token burn of 368 million SRK tokens, which is worth about 550,000 USD value, which is a huge amount of money considering this project is only around a $10 million market cap right now. So as we can see, the total supply is updated here. If you saw my last video, it was around 14,370,000,000, now reduced to 14 billion flat. And they will be trying to burn 250 million SRK tokens every quarter, and that will continue until the total supply is reduced to 10 billion or less. So when you think about it, 10 billion total supply really isn't that much. That's enough for 10,000 people to own 1 million SRK each. Of course, you have to consider team wallets, whale wallets, reward wallets for staking and other rewards. And you probably can only have about 4,000 people holding 1 million SRK or less, and that will change over time as well, especially if they continue burning. So I really like deflationary projects, especially with projects that have growing demand. Increasing their token utility is very important as well, and SparkPoint is creating a lot of mobile games and ways to create utility for the SRK token. So SparkPoint's new finance DeFi token SFUEL is now listed on CoinMarketCap. You can also purchase this on the PancakeSwap, which is basically a swap like Uniswap, but for the Binance Smart Chain. And I do expect announcements and stuff to be coming in the first couple weeks of 2021 for SFUEL getting launched on Binance in some way. They are trying to do the launch pool. I haven't had any confirmations or anything on that, and I don't have any more information, but I am expecting a lot more demand to be coming to SFUEL and SRK because of this. So SFUEL should be listed here now on CoinMarketCap. And here it is at 5.5 cents. The pre-sale was at 3 cents. So I expect this will be going up, especially after announcements from Binance and everything. And the only market pair right now is SFUEL and BNB on the PancakeSwap. So if you do want to pick that up, I will be doing more guides for purchasing SFUEL as well as staking and everything new that's coming out with the SparkPoint project. So that's about it for today's video. A great day. Bitcoin breaking all-time highs once again. Probably the 5th time it's done this in the last week. So lots of huge things to be coming. I think a great week is ahead for altcoins, especially since stimulus checks will be going out over the next week, and a lot more retail interest is coming to cryptocurrencies, especially since Bitcoin is in the media right now so much. I do think Ethereum is going to be having some great profits soon, testing that $1,000. The Google trend levels for Ethereum are going up as well, so a lot of money going out means more people buying up Ethereum and all other altcoins. I think Litecoin will have a good pump as well with these stimulus packages. Cardano ADA, we'll see what happens if Coinbase announces anything, but I am bullish on Cardano ADA for Q1 being the highest potential return on profit out of the top 10. And you guys can watch my last video to learn more about my price predictions for all the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Thank you guys again for watching the video. I do appreciate it. A free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share the video anywhere on social media. Even if you don't have followers, it does help out the channel, and I do appreciate that. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.